This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Katherine Kowalski. Buyers look no further. This 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath home sits on a nice wooded lot with a 2-car garage, screened-in porch and deck, and is just waiting for you. It features an open floor plan, a nice granite kitchen with newer flooring, spacious bedrooms. The primary bedroom has a nice walk-in closet and big walk-in shower. It has already taken care of many of the more expensive items when purchasing a home, such as a newer roof, hot water heater, insulated windows, as well as an encapsulated crawl space with dehumidifier. Awesome location and without an HOA fee. Move-in ready. Possible $1,800 in closing cost assistance available through the Listing Edge program. For more information, review the details below.